Hi, I'm Isabella Miller. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Brazil. I'm an international model, and my friend Dai recommended this place for me. So I want to come back to my natural hair color and do a little bit treatment also because my hair is a little bit dry.
Top down, music loud. We own the road, we own the crowd. Lipstick smudge, hair in the wind. Trouble starts, that's where we begin. You're my ride or die, no second guess. Every high with you feels effortless. From day to night, we write our rules, breaking hearts and skipping school.
Hi guys, today I did a treatment here of color shaping and moisturizing, and I feel my hair super smooth. It's exactly the color I was expecting, and the treatment here, the people who work here, they're super nice, and the place also. Thank you.